The formula for the area of sector of a circle is the fraction of the angle multiplied with area of circle. The fraction of the angle for the minor sector is theta over total angle, which is 360 degrees. And the formula for the area of circle is pi r square. Let's see an example question. In the diagram, the area of the major sector AOB 219.94 and the radius is 10 cm. Calculate the value of theta. So the value of theta is at the minor sector. Okay, first is given that the area of major sector, which is 219.94, and the formula for the area of sector is the angle over 360. The angle here, so you can represent it by A or any alphabet over 360 multiplied with pi r square. And next you can substitute pi with 3.142 and r is 10 radius. So A is equals to 219.94 and the multiplied we move to the other side will become divide. So divide 3.142 and divide 10 square, and this A over 360 degree, the divide move over to the other side will become multiply, and this is equals to 252 degrees. So now you can calculate the theta. Theta is equals to 360 minus A, which is 252. This is equals to 108 degrees.